Welcome to Builder Brothers Pizza! Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Get to the back! Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, or I'll have to call the police.
Look, ice cream. Two time. Sure, we can talk about this. It's too late for talk. Now it's time to pay for what you've done. I am forever in your debt.
It's not a problem. I'm gonna have to call the police over here.
Oh, no. It's quite fine, really. When he's back up, I'll give him a stern talking to. Thanks for your help. I'm departing your establishment now.